क्या हमने कोवैक्सीन को अप्रूवल देने में जल्दी कर दी? Did we approve this vaccine even without proper trials? What is the logic behind this approval? India's approval to COVID-19 vaccine has raised more questions than answers. The drug regulators have approved 2 vaccines, Covaxin एंड कोविशील्ड, और इस पे हर चीज की तरह पॉलिटिक्स शुरू हो गई है. Since the approval, social media is flooded with questions, doubts and concerns over the emergency approval given to Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. To understand these issues, we also talked to S. Srinivasan from All India Drug Action Network, who has raised many questions on this approval. India is one of the worst affected countries with more than 1 crore cases of COVID-19. आज नहीं तो कल, either you or someone you know will be vaccinated. Don't you think in that case you deserve clarity? A vaccine is approved after many phases of development. Of all the phases, phase 3 is considered to be one of the most important phases where thousands of volunteers participate and vaccine's efficacy is determined. लेकिन भारत बायोटेक के कोवैक्सीन के केस में फेज 3 स्टार्ट हुए नवंबर में, जिसमें अराउंड 25,000 वॉलंटियर्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. ये ट्रायल्स अभी तक पूरे ही नहीं हुए हैं, तो क्वेश्चन है कि एफिकेसी का डेटा कहां पर है. नॉट जस्ट दिस, अ फ्यू वीक्स अगो देयर वर रिपोर्ट्स दैट एम्स कुडंट इवन फाइंड वॉलंटियर्स फॉर द ट्रायल्स. तो सवाल ये बनता है कि आखिर ये अप्रूवल मिला तो मिला कैसे? इवन DGCI said that this vaccine is 110% safe. But what is 110% safe?
Clearly, it is not as per the law, because the law says that if you're doing phase 3 trials, you should complete it and submit the results, analyze it, submit the results to the SEC, and then if your results are all right, it will give you an approval for marketing throughout the country. ये क्या है? As they say in Hindi, एक घर का है घाट का. It is neither a lion, neither a giraffe, nor a tiger. It is some kind of a unicorn, and this does not find mention this kind of a thing in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
Dr. Fahim Yunus, who often answers questions related to the pandemic, also criticized this approval and said that vaccines are about safety, efficacy and trust. It is risky strategy to start vaccinating a population without scientifically published phase 3 trials showing safety and high efficacy. True for any country, any vaccine. Vaccine nationalism is dangerous. All India Drug Action Network also issued a statement that said that it is shocked that emergency approval was given to the vaccine Covaxin without proper data from phase 3 trials. In fact, India's one of the most eminent scientists, Dr. Gagandeep Kang, said that she has never seen anything like this before and she's totally confused. इन सब criticism के बाद इंडिया के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने कहा कि कोवैक्सीन को दिया गया अप्रूवल कंडीशनल है और वो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के मोड में है. All Covaxin recipients will be tracked and monitored as if they are in trial. But ये बहुत confusing है. I mean, how does that make sense? Because trials तो already on है. इस पे सवाल ये बनता है कि जिनको ये वैक्सीन दी जाएगी उनको वैक्सीनेशन कैंपेन के अंडर दी जाएगी या फिर एक ट्रायल के रूप में दी जाएगी.
But now I don't understand. They're saying we are now approving it in clinical trial mode, and I don't know what is the meaning of the term clinical trial mode, because it is not mentioned anywhere in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. So it's kind of darkness.
Then there were reports where AIIMS director Dr. Randeep Guleria, who is also a member of National Task Force, said that Covaxin of Bharat Biotech can be used as a backup vaccine for now. That is, in case of a mutant strain or sudden increase in the number of cases. But the CMD of Bharat Biotech said that Covaxin is not a backup vaccine. In fact, it is just a vaccine. यानी एक और confusion. In his press conference, he also shared a slide where he said that the results of phase 3 may be out between March to October. फिर इस पे दोबारा सवाल बनता है कि जब phase 3 के रिजल्ट्स कुछ ही महीनों में आने वाले हैं तो इतनी जल्दी अप्रूवल क्यों दिया गया?
It will probably be a very good vaccine, but wait for 2-3 months. They already you must have noticed that they have been in fact begging for trial participants even as late as 10 days back. जल्दी क्या है? Because even if it is a backup vaccine has to be proved and tested and some kind of efficacy has to be shown. If the proof is valid and if it is acceptable, we'll accept it. We have no problem. But don't tell us please believe us because we are telling you.
तो ये हो क्या रहा है? Why is there so much confusion over this approval? Why was the government not so transparent when it gave approval to this vaccine? Are we seeing vaccine nationalism, and doesn't that go against the scientific logic? When Russia had approved Sputnik 5 without proper trials, the country was criticized all over the world. Don't you think that in this case, approval to India's vaccine will paint a bad picture of Indian regulations? No one is saying that we do not trust Indian scientists or companies, but we deserve transparency and answer to these logical questions. And it is not just common people but also scientific and medical community that is questioning. और बार बार सेफ्टी की बात की जा रही है, but the bigger question is not about the safety of the vaccine, it is about the efficacy of the vaccine. What are your questions about this vaccine? Are you satisfied with government's response? Or you too have some doubts? Let me know in the comment section. That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.